In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Clipboard in Gboard keyboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it, select this icon at the top left corner. Look for it over here, hold it and drag it to the top. Then let go. After accessing Clipboard, tap on this switcher next to it to activate it. Then you can copy any text. Click on Clipboard and access it from here. If you wish to paste it, just click on it. In order to pin one of your added text, click on this pen at the top right corner. Tap on the one that you wish to pin and use this icon next to the pin one. If you wish to delete one of your sentences instead, select the same pen, tap on the chosen one, but this time hit the pin icon at the top. And now it's gone. In order to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!